Students, open page number 104. See, plants also give us tea, coffee, and sugar. We get tea, coffee, and sugar from the plants only. Okay. Now, nuts are dry fruits. They are you must be eating nuts. They are dry fruits. They are rich source of energy. We get energy from the nuts. Spices are added to the food to give it a flavor. Like you can see your mother is in the kitchen. She is using chili powder, then turmeric, then the coriander, then elaichi, all those things. These are all called spices. They give taste and color to the food. So when we put all these masalas, then we get taste and also color also. See, when you put haldi, that is a turmeric, your vegetable becomes little bit yellowish, you know that. We get oil from plants like groundnut oil, coconut, olive, and sunflower. These are all oil we get from the plants. Oil is used for cooking. We are using for cooking. It is applied on skin also, hair also. Coconut oil we are using for hair, then skin. The sunflower, then olive, groundnut. These we are using for the cooking. Plants make the air fresh and clean. Grow as many plants as you can. So students, when if the plants are there, then only we can get fresh air. Otherwise, we will find it difficult to live. Plants provide shelter to any animals like monkeys and birds. Yeah, because these are, see here you can see you see how birds are there, and here also you see this is a sheep is there. They can sit down. Monkey, you can see they can take shelter down like. Then plants like neem, tulsi, and eucalyptus give us medicines. You see neem plant, you must have seen tulsi, eucalyptus. These plants, no, they give see here neem plant, tulsi plant, eucalyptus. Okay, they are giving us that can be used for the medicines. Medicines means you can use this tulsi if you are having cold. You can use this neem. You can have this neem also to keep your health body uh, without any diseases. This oil also you can apply on your body. Wood from trees like teak and shisham is used to make furniture. So these wood like trees, teak trees, shisham trees are there. They are useful for furniture. That wood can be made. Wood can be used for the furniture. Okay. We get paper from the bamboo tree. Yes. See, this is a bamboo tree. So from here we can this wood we can use as paper for making paper. Plants like henna and indigo give us dyes. Henna and indigo, this we can use for hair dyeing. You can make your hair black if it is white. Then we get gum from the juice of acacia tree. So this acacia tree we get gum. From here if you cut, now you will get to see gum that you can use for you are getting gum you are using for books and all that. Dry leaves are used to make compost. Dry leaves, no, these you can make as compost. Compost all together you put, make it in the like you can see, you can use for the manure, as a manure, sorry. Manure means, so like when you want to put when you want to grow plants, in that you can use as manure, so the plants grow well. Flowers and leaves of many plants are used for decoration and for making bouquets. These flowers, we can use as for bouquets. If you want to give someone like present a gift, or you want to offer rose, jasmine, so you can make bouquet, or a bouquet mein you keep put 4 5 6 roses, and then give it to your friend or any other person, okay, who, if you want to give someone, like for birthdays and all we give, no, like that. Okay, student, today this much is enough.